For large installations, the walkthrough detectors should be organized into one or more clusters. Each cluster will consist of one leader and multiple followers. It is recommended that a follower unit be placed within 50 feet of its leader unit. Checkpoints spanning greater distances may require multiple clusters. Use frequency offsets and a minimum distance of 10 feet between clusters to ensure proper operation. To set up your PDI as the leader unit, there are basically 4 menu items to modify: sync, M-filter, frequency, and line sync. In order to access your unit, make sure you access using the admin mode by pressing access 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we're going to scroll down to our menu item, sync. Use the access button or the program button to scroll up the menu or down the menu. Sync is the first menu item we'll modify. Use the plus or minus buttons to change the menu item to leader. By default, setting the unit to leader assigns channel 1 to the unit, so it's not necessary to change the channel. In admin mode, the next thing we're going to change is M-filter. Use accessor program to scroll up or down to find M-filter. Use the plus or minus button to change M-filter to off. Next, we're going to change the frequency. Use programmer access to scroll up or down on the menu to find frequency. Frequency is located close to M-filter, so by pressing access you can go down to the next menu item, which is frequency. Choose the frequency that's between 1970 and 2300. For this example, we've chosen 2200. To change the frequency, you can use the plus or minus buttons to go up or down. You can also use counter and volume to increment by 10. If frequency is set where dash lines appear, change the line sync to off by using the plus or minus buttons. This allows the numbers to appear, and you can modify your frequency however needed. The final step in setting up your master unit is to make sure that the line sync is set to off. Use the plus or minus buttons to modify the menu item. Make sure line sync is off, and that'll complete the process of setting this unit up as a leader. To verify the settings, push the operate button to exit admin mode. Push the operate button again to review the menu items that you've chosen.